clearly, one-time investment of $99. It's not what if it doesn't work. What if it does work? What if it changes the trajectory of your life? What if it rewrites your entire family history? Would it be worth it? I think that it would be. So with that $99 investment, you're going to get the independence, the flexibility, the income opportunities. You'll have the residual income for the lifetime of the membership. You even have a willable book of business. That means you can will your business to your children, your children's children, or whomever. And you have the opportunity to get paid on a daily basis. Now, I believe I can do anything if I am taught properly. So we have a success system and specialized training available for you, along with the alignment with a personal mentor. And you have your digital tool package, which includes your marketing site, your customer enrollment site, detailed team and commission reports, as well as the opportunity for company incentives. So start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, but today. If you